Lucas Moura apologises to neighbours for 2 a.m. fireworks display on Christmas Day which sounded like a bomb going off in a war zone. Lucas Moura had a party at his house on Christmas Eve which lasted until 2 am. One annoyed resident described what the fireworks on Christmas Day was like. The Tottenham forward played 76 minutes against Brighton on Boxing Day. Lucas Moura has reportedly apologised to his neighbours after having a 2 a.m. fireworks display on Christmas Day.
One disgruntled resident whose house backs onto the Brazilian speedster told The Sun, "Me and my wife had to get all the presents sorted and we didn't get back to sleep until after 3 a.m. because of it.
I thought it was really inconsiderate. It really upset me that he thinks he can do it.
He must know it will annoy people, but I don't think he cares." Lucas Moura has reportedly apologized to his neighbors after having a 2 a.m. fireworks display. They were non-stop for nearly an hour.
It was really loud. It was like a bomb going off in a war zone. The Tottenham star had a party on Christmas Eve which went into the early hours of the morning.
He told The Sun, "I sincerely apologize to anyone who felt disturbed due to the fireworks after midnight.
I know my responsibilities as a professional footballer and knew that training wasn't until the afternoon on the following day."
Moura played 76 minutes against Brighton on Boxing Day, in which Spurs won 2-1 after going a goal behind.
Moura, left, had a party on Christmas Eve which went into the early hours of the morning. Add your comment, then to your comment, post comment to your Facebook timeline. What's this? By posting your comment you agree to our house rules.
Close. Do you want to automatically post your Mail Online comments to your Facebook timeline? Your comment will be posted to Mail Online as usual.
No. Yes. Close. Do you want to automatically post your Mail Online comments to your Facebook timeline? Your comment will be posted to Mail Online as usual. We will automatically post your comment and a link to the news story to your Facebook timeline at the same time it is posted on Mail Online.
To do this, we will link your Mail Online account with your Facebook account.
We'll ask you to confirm this for your first post to Facebook. You can choose on each post whether you would like it to be posted to Facebook. Your details from Facebook will be used to provide you with tailored content, marketing and ads in line with our privacy policy.